Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Here we have Hobart .035 MIG flux core wire for the Harbor Freight 171 welder. You can see it's running a pretty good bead. Right now it's starting to spatter quite a bit. This piece has been welded on a bunch of times over and over, so it really hasn't you kind of lose its connectivity with all the flux all over it. And so here's what it looks like, and what I'm going to be doing now is chipping off the slag from this wire. The setting on this was about 18 volts. It was running about, I think it was about 80 amps, and had it at about, trying to remember now if it was about 200 or so inches a minute of wire feed. So all in all, it produced a pretty decent weld. But as you can see, what I'm welding on top of isn't all that great. It's a piece of steel that's really loaded up with mill scale that I didn't clean off, kind of intentionally, and a lot of spatter. So it's it's a really crude weld, but I wanted to see how well I would be able to lay down a well, that's a nice shot of the vise there. That's a, maybe I should edit that out. Anyway, I'll figure it out soon. Oh, there we go. So as we chip away on this, you'll see at the top and the bottom, the top weld, those are old welds that I did with the Chinese wire that came with the welder, which I still have a bunch of, and that is .030, and this is a little thicker and better for welding thicker metals, the 035. But slag is coming off pretty well. It's this is a good method of getting the slag off, and I'm really just brushing it. I'm not pecking and chipping and hacking away. And now I'm going to take my wire brush and just get all that flux powder, that the burnt flux off, and scrub that down, and we'll be able to see my lousy weld. It's getting better. The one in the middle, as you can see, is there's by doing some figure eights or doing some little E's, you can little cursive E's. I learned that on weldingtipsandtricks.com you can kind of make those nice coins, stacked dimes, but that's not really good. It's it's for my purposes, they're good welds and they'll hold, but they're not going to win any awards. So that's kind of what that looks like. So here I'm just laying down another bead, and just a straight bead right next to some of the other ones I've laid down, just to keep practicing and keep doing it. Welding's fun, and you can get into it rather affordably now with these cheap welders. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be getting back to doing some of the tractor work. Just want to get out and do some welding in the garage since I really wanted to try the .035 wire. So thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe.